In this video, you will learn how to make a colorful and interactive types of weather chart using simple craft materials. This teaching learning material TLM is perfect for B.Ed practicals, teacher training, EVS classrooms, school projects, and exhibitions. This easy weather chart helps children identify and understand different weather conditions such as sunny, cloudy, partly cloudy, rainy, stormy, windy, snowy, misty, hot. Sunny, bright sunshine with clear sky. You should wear cap, light cotton clothes, and sunglasses. Hot. The temperature is very high. Drink plenty of water. Stay in the shade. Partly cloudy. The sun and clouds appear together. Weather is pleasant. Cloudy. The sky is covered with clouds. Sometimes rain may come. Stormy. Heavy rain with thunder and lightning. Stay indoors. Rainy. Water falls from the clouds. Carry an umbrella and wear a raincoat. Windy. Strong winds blow. Tree and leaves move quickly. Misty. Tiny water droplets cover the air. Visibility becomes low. Snowy. Snow falls instead of rain. Wear warm woolen clothes. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Also follow our Facebook page for more creative ideas like this. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.